Welcome to the world of Bangalore Watch Company. This is the unboxing and feature walkthrough of the Apogee Manzinus. Like all BWC watches, the Manzinus comes in our signature black lacquer finished wooden box. Now let's get this box out of the way and jump right in to the feature video. In July 2019, ISRO launched a GSLV Mark III rocket that traveled 384,000 kilometers to the moon. The objective was to get a lander to touch down safely near the south pole of the moon at a location called the Manzinus crater. The Apogee Manzinus is based on our now iconic Apogee platform. They have a 1970s inspired tonneau case, a dual crown system that allows you to set a second time zone without the use of a GMT function with the same avant-garde design language. The Manzinus is constructed with an inner core made of a unibody high-grade stainless steel. It is finished with a hardened layer of ceramic coating. We're calling this Cera Steel. The Cera Steel construction allows us to stay focused on the build quality, water tightness of the case, wrist presence, while still able to offer watches in vibrant case colors. First, let's get the dimensions out of the way. The Manzinus has a case diameter of 40 millimeters. The lug-to-lug distance is 44 millimeters. The case is built for 100 meters of water tightness and is mated with a domed sapphire crystal. Owing to this domed sapphire crystal, the case thickness is now a little shy of 12 millimeters, but it still makes it a perfectly wearable watch. The bright white of the full moon has dominated our desire to bring you a very unique watch. So we've come up with a ceramic color formulation that mimics the moon. This unibody Cera Steel case has two crowns and a case back in high-grade stainless steel. It exposes the versatility of the materials being involved in the design. It also vastly improves the wrist presence of the watch. You've always enjoyed our storytelling on the case back. The Manzinus has a case back exposed in high-grade steel with this celebratory text celebrating Indian space exploration. It also carries the iconic Aryabhatta satellite launched by India in 1975. If you're familiar with the Apogee's backstory, you'll also recall that the Aryabhatta satellite was used in a 2 rupee currency note issued in India between 1976 and 1997. The Indian space program started in the early 1970s, so the Manzinus takes inspiration from watches of that era. The hour markers on the dial are applied indices and they are diamond cut and rhodium plated. They're highly reflective and catch the light from various angles. They have cavities in the middle that are filled with Swiss C3 Grade A superluminova that emits a green glow in the dark. In 2021, we sourced a piece of an outer space rock from the border of Finland and Sweden. This rock is called the Muonionalusta meteorite and is believed to be 4.5 billion years old. We made 50 watches called the Extraterrestrial that contained dials made of this rock with unique, irreproducible patterns on the dial. For Manzinus, we did it again. Perhaps the showstopper of the Manzinus dial is a full circle at the 6-hour position. It is filled with a slice of the Muonionalusta meteorite. This disk mimics a full moon and contains unique, irreproducible patterns that formed due to a slow cooling process for millions of years in space. We've also retained the inner rotating bezel that has markers 1 to 12 and 13 to 24. By turning the crown at the 2 o'clock position, you can set and track a second time zone on this watch. This is a nod to space travel with a need to track mission control time and local time. With Manzinus, we're also introducing a new dial color to the Apogee collection. We're calling this Earthshine. This color mimics the pale brown glow of the darkened portion of the crescent moon. The Earthshine shares the Cera Steel construction with the Manzinus. It has two differences. At the 6 o'clock position of the Earthshine, you have a date window neatly tucked away. Slightly above the 6 o'clock position or the date window, there is a lat long position. This belongs to Sriharikota, a barrier island off the east coast of India where our rocket and satellite launches take place today. The Manzinus and Earthshine watches are powered by Swiss Sellita Automatic Movements SW200-1. This movement is standard grade, it is self-winding, and it offers a minimum of 38 hours of power reserve. Just like the other watches in the BWC catalog, we're covering the Manzinus and Earthshine with a 2 years manufacturer warranty. We paired the Manzinus and Earthshine watches with an improved G-Force leather strap. These straps come paired with matching high-grade stainless steel buckles that carry the BWC logo neatly engraved on one side. Like all other BWC watch straps, these G-Force straps carry a quick change pin that allows you to change the strap in a breeze. We think that the Manzinus and Earthshine are incredible extensions of the Apogee collection. We hope you enjoy wearing these watches just as you enjoyed the other watches from the Apogee collection.